Hello, today we are going to proceed with part 2 of the fuel station modeling. I'm Morris Dimba. Please welcome to this presentation. This is the part 1 of the fuel station model. So what you want to work on today is to place the sheets both on top of the rafter and below the rafter. Now we'll start off by placing this. We'll come to steel beam there, come to view, rotate this. Just place your cursor there, click there and place it there and type 3 meters, enter. Click and highlight there, move it, come to navigate, rotate with mouse, rotate about that spot. You want to place this member down here, right here. Rotate it down, rotate it. We want to move it slightly downward by 50 millimeter. Just click here and place your cursor there and type. We'll give it 70. We'll enter that. Right click. Next, we'll select that, right click and pick mirror. We want to use this midpoint of this beam as our mirror line. We'll click that and go down, just snap there, click there, click copy and accept. It hasn't copied properly. We'll undo that. We'll come right click and come to special copy, click mirror and pick this as our mirror line. This spot will be our mirror line. Just place this one here. Just click there and turn this to -180. Click copy and accept. Still not behaving properly. What you're going to do, come to view, come to work plane, place your work plane tool here, place it there, right click. Now pick this, right click, come to special copy, mirror, pick this as your mirror line, right there. And right there. Click that and check whether what you've done is right. Come to navigate under view, rotate this. It's actually been done well. Now highlight this and press Ctrl and highlight that, right click and come to special copy, click mirror. Now we will use this spot as our mirror line, right there, and run down here and click down here. Just click copy and accept. Right click to disable or to run away from that mirror command. Now this is what we wanted to do. Next is to attach this member to the main rafter. You come to steel beam, just zoom out, click down here and just place your cursor there and type 200 or 400. 300 will work better. Double click on this, come to position and turn, give it a back orientation, apply and accept. Left, right, middle, left, apply and accept. Click this again and click move, snap down there and place it here. Now we'll come to view, come to work plane tool, place the work plane tool here, right click and click interrupt to disable that work plane tool command. Click this, right click again and come to special copy, click linear. We want these, we want 2 of these at an interval of 1 meter. Just click that and click OK. Click this and click on this and drag it down and place it there. Come here and drag this down and place it there. Come to applications and command, click end plate. This and this. Right click, come to navigator and rotate this to check whether what we've done is right. We are good to go with that. Right click, do the same thing here. This and this, this and this, this and this. Perfect. Navigate, rotate with mouse. Come to end plate detail, click that, click this and just click on the mid point of that. Click this and just click the midpoint of that. Double click on this to change some measurement, some settings there. Now try it and do that. 50. Apply and accept. Done. We'll do the same thing here. Click this and just place it there, but we want to make this, we want to extend this. Double click on it and delete this and click modify, apply and accept. Come to navigate, rotate with mouse, rotate about that spot. Come to endpoint here, pick this as the main part and this as a secondary part. Double click on this to adjust the end plate settings. You'll give HSFG, apply that, give this 100. 100 is quite big. 70 is averagely enough. Apply and accept that. Do the same thing the other end here. Click this, this and that, this and this. That one cannot accept that. Now what we are going to do is to highlight this, click that, click this, click that. Right click, click special copy mirror. We'll use this as a mirror line. Just place it here and click copy and accept. It hasn't copied at all. Undo that. Redraw. Redraw that. Come to work plane tool, work plane tool. Place your axis here. Right click, disable that. Come here and select this. Press Ctrl and select all this. Right click, come to special copy mirror, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, place it there and click down here to be our mirror line. Click that and accept. Just come all the way this side, right click and redraw. Navigate, rotate with mouse and turn this round. Come to end plate, click that and this. Rotate with mouse. Do the same thing here, this and that. Now you can rotate this. How much? This and this. That's not appropriate at all. Splice. Click this, this and this. Trying to get a splice joint. That and this. Click that and bring that there. Come to splice, joint. Not the right one, undo. Let's try that and this. Is not accepting. Click that and that. Try that and that. Come to work plane tool, place it there. Right click, click redraw. Now we'll select this, that and this, and that one and this. what we can do here, we'll delete this. And make this a full length. Close this. Let's switch to that view and make this full length. Now come to isometric view, turn this, come to applications and components, type end plate, end plate. We'll pick that and that. Come to navigate, rotate with mouse and turn this. It is acceptable. Now we'll highlight this, press Ctrl and make sure you select everything that is necessary to be copied. Click that, and this and that. Right click copy. Click copy from here to here and to there and to that place. Now we'll come to navigate, rotate with mouse, turn this round. Right click and redraw. Navigate, turn this round. Turn this round properly for you to be able to see it clearly. You can cancel that. Turn this round. Now what we are going to do, right click and disable that rotation command, come to view, work plane tool, and place your work plane tool here. Place it there and disable that work plane tool and come to steel beam there. Click here, there, and run all the way to the midpoint here, right there. Double click, come to position, give that right, come to attributes and under attributes pick profile, minimize that, come to steel sections limited, steel sections limited, just here. Come to C sections, side rails. We'll work with this. That's pretty big. We'll pick 140, apply, accept, modify that, apply and accept. Right click, double click this, below, apply and accept. Click this, right click, come to copy, pick that end and run all the way to the other end, place it there. Now I'll press Ctrl and pick that and come to special copy and give it linear. Now take note of the X and Y axis. We want to populate this along the X axis. How many do we need? We need closely to 2. Now I'll just go ahead and click copy and accept. Come to view, navigate, rotate this, rotate that, I'll add another one here, click that, press Ctrl and pick that, not pick the wrong one, I'll pick this, press Ctrl and pick that, right click and go to special, copy and linear. I'll give this 500. I need one copy and click that. That's all. Take a look at that. You can turn that round, have a look at it. Or I can undo this, I can undo all that and come here, turn this, I'll highlight this, press Ctrl and pick that, right click and special copy, come to linear, I'll give it 1 meter interval, I need 8 of this, 8 of that, and pick that and click that. Perfect. Turn this round. Just run all the way, but we need some more. I'll pick that. Press Ctrl and do that. Right click and come to special copy, linear. I need 3. I click copy and accept. Need some. Pick that and pick that. Right click and click copy. From here to here. Perfect. Navigate, rotate this. I'll click this, I'll press Ctrl copy, I'll press Ctrl and double click that and come to position and give it top. I'll apply and accept because we'll need some cleats behind this, but if it was the other way around, it would be hard to place a cleat. Now this is it. This is our part 2 of the fuel station modeling. Can rotate this, turn this round. Perfect. Can turn that round. Can take a view on that. Right click and redraw. Right click and redraw. Now we'll place the iron sheets here, running all the way to this end. We'll add another purlin here, and another one here, and another one here, and another one here. It's quite simple. We can do that. Right click, click linear, and just add one. Copy, cancel, and do that. Try this. Highlight that. Come to linear. It won't copy properly on that direction. We will switch back to isometric view and come to navigate and turn this round. We'll delete that. Do the same the other end. Navigate, click that and turn this round and delete that. We'll delete that and delete this. Navigate, turn this. Click this. Navigate, rotate with mouse, press Ctrl and highlight that. Right click, come to special copy, linear, just copy one, undo, right click, highlight that, right click, special copy, linear, change this to 600, and click that, apply and accept, come to navigate, rotate, that one is here, perfect. Turn this round, still active. I'll come to special copy, linear, and I'll give it 1200 or 1300. There. Click OK. Now we've copied that. Perfect. We'll come here, click that, come navigate to rotate this, press Ctrl and pick that, press Ctrl and highlight that, come to linear, give it 600 and click that, give it 1300 and click that, apply and accept, navigate, rotate that. Turn this round. You can see this clearly. Perfect. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'm Morris Dimba, and let's meet on the next episode. Bye bye.